dear friends, Mrs. Case here, and we are going to do math right now together. So if you have your page lesson 6.6, I would like you guys to get it and be ready for Mrs. K. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to get your paper. So I'm going to be doing everything on the whiteboard, but you can work on your paper. If you already did this lesson, that's great. It means that you're doing fabulous with your math and tens and ones are going well for you. So today's lesson, we have tens and ones to a 50. So it means that we're going to be working with tens and ones. It can be any number to 50. It can be 41, 42, it can be 21, 35, so any number to 50. The essential question is, how can you group cubes to show a number as tens and ones? And I know that some of you might not have cubes at home or might not have Legos at home, and so that's why Mrs. K send to your parents, I send a document with base 10. So that's what I sent to your parents. Mrs. K printed some for herself as well. So it looks like this, but then when you cut it, you cut in skinnies and bits, okay? And this how I can work with my skinnies and bits. In fact, I'm showing you 11 right now, right? So again, I send mom and dad base 10. When you printed, you can cut into skinnies, but also you can cut into the bits, okay? So that paper will help you to work with skinnies and bits. So I have on the bottom of this page for teacher, right? That's actually the task. So you should read the task to know how to complete this assignment. So we have 23 cubes. So imagine that I would have 23 of my skinnies. I'm not going to put all of them on the board, but just say I'll just do a couple, right? So imagine that I have 23 of them here. And I need to show them as tens and as ones. Yesterday, I learned that this number gives me the ones and this number gives me the tens. So I can draw my skinnies and bits to show the number. So if I'm talking about my tens, because I'm starting with tens, I'm going to draw a skinny and I'm going to count by 10. One skinny equals 1 10. So 10, 20. I have 20 here. 23, so it means that I'm going to have 3 bits. This is how I show my number 23. 2 tens, 3 ones. And that's what I'm going to write on the bottom. 2 tens, 3 ones. What is the number? That is correct. The number is 23. I could do that with my skinnies and bits. I could do it with my model. So 1 10, 2 tens. And this is how I know that this is 1 10. Each skinny will have 10 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know this one is 10 and this one is 10. 10, 20. And then I'm going to do my bits. 21, 22, and 23. Just like that, Mrs. K showed you the number 23 with skinnies and bits. Let's go to the model and draw. So you have number 24. Number 24. Right? Where, let me put another bit. Okay. So where 2, as I said, is your tens. 2, 2, 1, 2, right? And where your 4 is the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ones, 2 tens. The number is 24. I'm sure you can do this one all by yourself. So you see 2 in 42. In this case, 2 is the ones because it's the last digit in the number, right? So I have 2 little bits. How many skinnies? 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens, 2 ones, 42. Okay, let's say we're going to do number 1 together with you. So I'm going to do number 1 with you. I'm going to take all my skinnies and beats. Give me a second. I'm going to erase my whiteboard. Thank you so much for being patient. Okay, so you have 1 10. You have, okay, and 3. Thank you for being patient with Mrs. K. And you have 1, 2, 3. You see how Mrs. K is stacking them nicely? That's how you're supposed to do it, even when you model them with your picture. Okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that look familiar to you? Yes, Mrs. K just built the model. So you are asked to tell how many tens and how many ones are in this number. So tens and ones. So let's count the tens first. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. What is the number? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. The number is 35. Good work, you guys. Okay, I am sure that number 2, 3, 4, you will be able to do all by yourself. Let's double check and Mrs. K will do number 8 with you. So I'm going to do number 8 with you. On number 8, you see this picture, right? What do you think I'm going to put for tens? Do I have any skinnies? No, I don't. But how many ones I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that for sure I have 5 bits. So I'm going to write my number 5. And I have 0 tens. Do I say 0, 5? Or do I just say this number is 5? 5 ones. I say this is 5. 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all by themselves. They are not connected. So it means 5 ones. Right? Okay, very good. Very good. I hope you're doing well with your skinnies and bits. Again, 1 skinny is 1 10. 1 bit is just 1. Okay? Are you guys ready for the hot problem? Okay, let's see. In the hot problem, you see that there is 2 skinnies and 3 bits. And it says in the problem that Mary drew her tens and ones to show number 32. Is she showing number 32, boys and girls? I think there is a mistake. Well, I know that this number shows the ones. This number shows me the tens. How many ones I see? I see 3 ones. That's correct. So let's help Mary to fix the problem. I'm going to help Mary to fix the problem. So tens, ones. Okay? So she has 2 in the ones place, but actually her picture is showing 3. So I'm going to write, again, she wants to do number 32. So how many bits I need to show? That's right, I only need to show 2 bits. How many tens I'm going to do? Let's keep doing the skinnies till I get to 30. 10, 20, 30. How many skinnies I had? 3 skinnies. So it would be 3 tens and 2 ones. Does that equal number 32? Yes, it does. Very good. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Did we fix the problem? Yes, we did. Okay, let's see the back page. The very last page. Okay, again, I'm going to erase my board. Give me a quick second. Oh, I hope my board will not. Okay, so number 10, we have a word problem. I have 46 cubes. How many tens and how many ones I can make? So I'm going to write this number 46 on the whiteboard. Oops, 46. 46 cubes. And I need to make 4 tens, and I need to make tens and ones. Again, I'm going to do a picture with my skinnies and bits, right? So I know that I have to get to 40, right, with my skinnies. So I'm going to start counting it as I put the skinnies on the board. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, I'm going to stop because I have 40. And then I'm going to do bits. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. I never go more than 5. 46. How many tens? How many ones? I have 4 tens and I have 6 ones. So I was able to show my number 46 with my model. Also, I'm able to say 4 tens, 6 ones. Okay? Let's get to the hot problem, number 13. I'm sure number 11, 12 is going to be easy for you guys because you're doing such an amazing job. So we're going to go to number 13, and there is a problem, hot problem, high level of thinking, right? Okay, so I am a number less than 50. I have 8 ones and some tens. What number I could be? So I know that this number will not have 5 tens because it says I am a number less than 50. What are the numbers less than 50? Let's count backwards, right? Because if it's less, we go back. So it can be, so I know that it's not going to be 50, right? Could it be 40, 30, 20, 10, right? So I have 8 ones and some tens. What number I could be? Well, I know that in the ones place I will have 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 bits. Now you can put any amount of tens because it doesn't say specifically how many. It says some tens. So it could be 2 tens, it could be 3 tens, it could be 4 tens, or it could be 1 10, 8 ones. So you get to create your own number, but it should be less than 50, no more than 50. Mrs. K created 10 plus 8 equals 18. That's correct. So my number is 18. What is your number? Love you all. Don't forget to do the test prep, and we will see each other on the next video. Good luck with your math pages. Love you.